update. Maybe I should say babies update. So my babies are now 4 months, and they're probably closer to 5 months than 4 months, really. So they are 4 months now, and actually next week they will be 5 months. So maybe I should have been did this baby update, because they were actually closer to 5 months than they are to 4 months. But hey, they still 4 months, so we're gonna get this done now. So I have twin girls, Kate and Key, that's their nicknames. And they were born at 37 weeks. Then we came home Monday afternoon, and even though we went Friday morning at like 4 o'clock in the morning, they didn't come until Saturday morning at like 3:30 in the morning. So I had them Saturday morning, and we were able to go home Monday afternoon. So they didn't have to stay in the hospital. That was a blessing. I was worried about that at first, but I'm so glad that they didn't have to spend any time in the hospital. So baby update, babies update. So right now they're in 0 to 3 month clothes. Even though they're almost 5 months, they still only wear 0 to 3 month clothes. And they can even still fit some of their sleepers that are newborn. So, and even their onesies. So they kind of can still fit newborn clothes. I still put it on them. So they're really in 0 to 3 months. Not able to wear any of their shoes. So most of the time I just dress them with socks, and they have like so many different color socks to match their outfits. I'm just hopeful that by the time maybe the end of November comes, they can fit like 0 to 3 month shoes, and I will be able to buy them some boots, maybe. I read that when your baby is crying and they hear your voice, that it should calm them. Well, it works sometimes. Sometimes if they're crying and I start like talking to them, or like saying, "What's wrong, baby?" Start saying their name, they may calm down. So that's a really good thing. And also, so I read that my voice is calming, and it is to be true. Sometimes it doesn't work all the time, but sometimes. Another thing that calms them is a sound machine. I actually have a sound machine. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is a sound machine. It is a sound machine. It has a night light, and it also has a projector. And there are discs that you can insert, and it's different things. So right now they're watching, well, when they sleep at night, they watch the fish. So this one's the fish one. And if I switch it out, this one is animal one. So this is more like, not fish, this is more like a under the sea one, because it's different sea animals. And this one, I actually haven't watched it. We haven't looked at this one, but I see a lot of monkeys. So basically it's just like this in the bag that you can buy. And these, actually they already came with 2. These came with it. So you can buy this, I would think so. Don't quote me, but I think when I opened it, I read that you can buy this and insert them so you can change the projection. So on this sound machine, it is by, who is this by? Munchkin. This is by Munchkin. And they have different sounds. So there's a heartbeat sound, an ocean sound. Can you see it? Yeah, so the different types of sounds are here. And so there are like 3 different types of sounds that the baby can hear. And if you press it 2 times, it's 2 different sounds. So like the heartbeat one, it's like 2 different rhythms of heartbeats. The ocean one, 2 different sounds of ocean. So it's very awesome. And so the sound is one side, it's a button you press, and the projector is the other side. So you don't have to put both of them on at the same time. If you just want the projector, you can put the projector on. If you just want the sound, you can just put the sound on. And the night light, you can't turn this off. So whenever it's plugged in, the night light is actually automatically. And I keep this on all day. So the night light it isn't bright or anything. It's just like a tiny little light, like a light that you would have plugged in the wall, but it's just not really bright. So the projector is actually brighter. And also with the projector, this part moves. So you can either have it like put on the wall. I just have it on top of my ceiling. And so they watch it as they go to sleep. This thing is a lifesaver. I put the sound on and it really calms my babies. So at nighttime, put this on and it works. It really works. No, because it is a lifesaver. Like I put this on and I can lay them down and they go to sleep. It's such a blessing. Yes. So this is something that can calm your baby. And I got this in my baby's shower. I just saw something. So I got this in my baby's shower. I had it on my registry. So I'm not really sure how much it is, but I know it came from Target. Also, on the back, there is a voice activation. So you can even program it to voice activate. So my babies, they like car rides. So if I notice that they're like extremely fussy in the evening, we may go on a ride. And like by the time it can be we can make it around the corner and they'll be asleep. So like car rides, they love car rides. It's like another thing that calms them. And when we come back, they can even sleep for 30 minutes. So it's a blessing. What else? I have a list over here. That's what I'm looking at. So like both of them, they came with hair on their head. And right now, at one point, one of the twins' hair like fell out at the back because she's laying on it. But I'm like, they both laid the same amount of time on their head, but only one twin hair fell out. So being that her hair fell out, it was like a totally bald spot at the back of her head. But like it's getting to be like fuzzy again, so like her hair is growing back in because I guess as the more time she spends off of her head, her hair will even grow more. But the other twin, her hair stayed full. How much do they eat? So they eat, right now I can say they eat like 5 ounces. They drink like 5 ounces and maybe, it just depends on the day because they can eat a whole lot. Like, I try to feed them like every 2.5 hours, maybe 3. So that's how much I feed them, like a 2.5, 3 hours. So, and they usually take like 5 ounces each time. And during the nighttime. So at first, when they first came, it was crazy. I stayed up like, I felt like I was up all the time. Like every hour I was up. Like with one of them crying. So I was like, we did a feeding like every hour. So it was like really bad. Like in the beginning, I didn't get any sleep. So right now, they only wake up maybe like 1 time a night. So like that's really a blessing. From going like up all night to only 1 time a night. So like, so glad with that. At 4 months, they're more alert. At first, they didn't really follow you. Well, they followed your hand. They didn't really follow you out the door. Because, you know, baby's eyesight, they really just see, they don't really see you. They really just see like an object. Like, it's like a blur. Babies can't really see, if you didn't know that. So, now I can tell that their eyesight is getting better. They notice when I'm about to feed them. They notice me and their dad. Like, if we come in the room, they'll like put their eyes on us and like follow us everywhere we go. Like, their eyes are like on us. That their eyesight, I noticed that their eyesight is getting better. Like now they do make noises more. At first, you know, babies are very quiet, not except when they cry. They're not very quiet. They cry a lot in the beginning. So now they make like noises, like cooing noises, laughing noises. They even scream like, and they sound like kitty cats. So they do that a lot. I have one, the youngest twin. She actually talks more and make louder noises than the other one. So the times that they make the most noise is, well, most of the day. If you're talking to them, they're gonna make a noise. But in the morning time, they don't really make too much noise. But other than that, yeah, they make a lot of noise. Right now, I think they're teething. I asked the doctor, is it possible for them to teeth already? And she was like, yes, it is possible. But they shouldn't get any teeth until like 7 months, I think she said, 7 months or later. They while they're teething, they like slop a whole lot. They like to chew on things, like their nooks. And that's another thing. My babies hate nooks. Like, I tried to give them nooks. I didn't want them to even get on a nook because breastfed babies, it was like if you put a nook in their mouth, they're not gonna want to be breastfed. So I really didn't want them with a nook. But then I was like, they didn't want to stop crying, so I tried the nook, and then they really didn't like a nook. That nook thing didn't last at all. So they don't like a nook. But like now they'll chew on a nook, but not for long. Like they'll try to chew on a nook. I actually have teething toys, but the one that I have, the one that I have tried with them, they don't really like it. So I'm gonna have to try to find another teething toy. If you know any teething toys that really works for your baby or work for your baby, can you comment below and tell me. Tummy time, they love tummy time. Right now they're sleeping, but it's time for them to get up. One doesn't like tummy time, she hates it. And like right now at 4 months, I am able to like put their hair in like plaits. I don't do it, my mom does it. She put their hair in like plaits, like the rubber bands, and it's like the plastic ones, not the like actual rubber ones. It's like the plastic bands. She put their hair in rubber bands. So one has like the hair growing back. She's still able to get the rubber bands in the back. So we're going to see them do tummy time now. We'll be back. I'll be back. It's waking up. Now I'm about to get Kaylee up. Hey, Keela. Hey, Kiki. Hey, Kiki. Hey, Kaylee. Hey, mommy, baby. So, I'm about to try tummy time with them. Oh, look at her face. Hey, KK. Hey, little babies. Hey, my babies. Hey. Hey. Oh, KK. Hey, KK. Oh, you being lazy? KK, are you being lazy? She's being lazy, KK? KK being lazy, huh? Get up, KK. KK, get up. So, as you can tell, this is the one who doesn't like tummy time. KK. Keela. Hey, Kiki. Let me see if she's gonna laugh. Okay, so they're being fussy now. I'm gonna see if the voice forming thing works. Hey, Keela. Hey, KK. Hey, Kiki. Hey, Kiki. KK, why are you still crying? KK. Hey. Oh, KK. Are you mad with mommy? KK, are you mad with mommy? You mad? You mad? KK, why are you doing that? So it was now time for them to eat. So I stopped the video right here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below and make sure you're subscribed.